Hey everyone, welcome to AI Injection School. I'm excited you're here. This is the place where we turn ideas into real AI automations, whether that's with N8N, Make.com, OpenAI, or custom AI workflows.
Okay, welcome to another video. I've got one here that you saw the intro. It's a talking head, and just got a little automation that'll automate it for you. And it basically starts with a Google sheet, and it goes to the inbuilt 11's lab node that if you haven't got, you need to install. And then obviously, because we've got a file, we need to download it, to upload it, to share. Then back to a Google sheet. With that Google sheet, I'll then go to the HTTP, which is in wave speed, and it'll initiate the character build. So how do we do this? First thing, I've got a little link here to a Google sheet, so when you download this, you can just go to the Google sheet. We'll go there. We've got a very basic Google sheet. We've got image reference, voice ID, script, audio, task update, task outdate, and in the update section we've got a little drop down, run, complete, audio upload. Basically, we got the reference image from Cloudinary. We've got Cloudinary upload an image. It's a free account. You have to get the image from there because you need it to be a direct download. So like when you click this, it'll just download straight to this character here. If you don't have that, it will not work through the system. So you have to get it so it's downloaded like so. Or if you've got Airtable or something like that, you can pull it from there. And then we get the voice ID. We get that from 11 Labs. So let's go to 11 Labs. Simply go to 11 Labs and get the voice ID of any character you want. So like if you've got this character here.
Hi, my name is Cherry Twinkle, and
Lovely, you just click on her. Well, you have to go to voices first because that's where the dots are. So whichever character you want, you can just go through all this library, click the three dots, get your character ID, go back to Sheets and drop it in there. The script you'll have to make up yourself and just drop your script into there. When you do your script, just make sure you haven't got any funny letterings and all like that will mess up your text to voice. This will be empty and that will be empty, and the system will update the audio track, and then when it's finished we'll give you the output track. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just put this to run and we'll just do it again. We'll do the same video again, why not? I'll just come out of here. Should have really just done another one. We'll just delete that. So it's empty. And then we go back to our workflow, and once we execute the workflow it will start to go through. But first we'll show you what's in what. So you connect normally to your account, to WaveSpeed, to your template for your sheet. I've got it template set as that, like that, and then you need a task status and it to be running. So when you download this, these are empty, you'll just have to fill this part out here. So just put task status and it to run, and that'll do the task. In fact, we'll just run it now. We'll do it one by one, shall we? No fields. Why is there no fields? That's because I'm on a different form. Hold on, let's have a look here. Oh, right. It's to run. No, mine's set up for a different one. 2 minutes, let's come out of here. That's the template for you guys. This is the template I need. So yeah, we've got the same one in there. Let's remove the audio. Go down here. And let's remove the output. Put that to run. Because I've got two templates. This is a blank template for you guys. That's not my template that I'm using. So we'll run that again. and it'll give you the expression. So you've got the row number, so it's row number 2, reference the image. You can see there it's cloud and error, the voice ID, and your text that you need to put into the module. And then we've got the 11 lab module. To get that, if you haven't got it pre-installed, just type 11 labs and it'll come up. Because I've got it, when you get it, it'll come up. Mine's installed. If it isn't installed on yours, just install it. Obviously you have to, on your end-to-end workflow, be able to install community nodes. There's plenty of videos on there how to do that. This one's automatic, it's actually running on end-to-end's own server. So then we get that. And in that, just makes everything really, you put your account details in, it's speech, it's text to speech, and then we're basically getting the ID, the voice ID there, putting it across, and the text, the script, putting it across. And that's all you need to do, and it will generate it. Might take a couple of minutes. Oh, it's really quite quick. We'll just download that, see what it says.
Hey everyone, welcome to AI Injection School.
So there,
I'm excited you're here. This is the place where we...
you get that. Now what we've got to do is convert that, because it's not ready to go into the HTTP. It won't accept it this way. So then we just put it into a Google Drive. So set up your Google Drive. It's a file, it's an upload, and it's data. You can put a name in there if you want. Connect to your drive. I've just got it connected straight to my router because I don't really care where it goes. I don't need to look at it. It's just going to go in and go out again. And then we just execute it. And that will go through and give you all that good stuff there. So that's now downloaded to Google Drive. Now we need to upload it now to share, to be able to go into a Google Doc. What you didn't see there, I was pointing at the screen, then you can't see me. Yeah. So you've got your Google Drive file, now it's a shared account, and it is by ID. So there you go, ID into there. The role is writer, and it's going to be for anybody. That basically means when it's written up, the share link's available. Execute, and you'll get this back here. Don't worry about that false, as if it's like this when you've got it, it's perfect. And then we just want it to go to Google Sheets. So you connect to your sheet as normal, map manually, row number, get your row number, which you probably get from the source down here. So they get your row number there, put it in there, and all you have to do is the audio. So you're getting your audio from upload a file, which is here, and it's the web link content, that one there, and you just put that down there and put it in there. And then for this task status, upload audio, and it'll just upload to the Google Sheet. And you see, it's got your download, it's uploaded to your Google Sheet. Now if we go into Google Sheets now, we'll see we've got our audio in and it's uploaded. Don't worry about that. The next one we want to do is get the output. So we've got all the ticks there. Now what I want to do is drag it from there to here. I'm just going to run through these and then I'll just execute this at the end to save messing around. So it's a post request as normal, wave speed, generic header with your credentials. I do see a lot of people just doing the curl and leaving your API key open. Don't do that, it's a bit silly. So all we're after here is in this particular curl expression, is the audio and the image. Everything else is done out for you. Oh, I haven't done that. The prompt should be there. No, there's no prompt. No prompt for this simply because we're not prompting it. The prompt's in the text and it's just doing it that way. So you'd get that audio and put it across. So So you just copy and paste that, but you want it'll already be there. It'll all be ready for you. And it goes to a wait module. I've got it at a minute. It normally takes about 3 minutes, and it'll go through. I've just got it that way, just so it's rotating through. And then obviously we have got the response here that you need for the get. So you just need to copy that if you're doing it blind or off YouTube. Copy that exactly and it'll pick it up and take it across. You do not need anything else apart from your connection and your authorization. Then we go to switch, and basically complete, processing, failed. I just basically use this off another switch, just put it in and did it. And that will get you to your Google Sheet, which connect again to your actual sheet, mapping, row number, put the row number in there, complete, and that will do it. So we'll just execute that now, and that will go through, and I'll just show you through it. So now it's going to wait. So in this node here, we've got 200 success. You've got your model that's going to, the actual get result, it's getting created, all them good things there. So obviously for your image, you're going to get your image from your source, because that's already in your reference there. So that's image reference straight across. So it's pulling that from the original Google Sheet. And then you've got your audio, which is this one here, because that's been dropped for the updated sheet, and that goes in there, and then you're done. Then you do the wait. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to waffle on. I've opened my school community now. I just plan to keep popping a few videos out, a few a week, updating the school. There's quite a lot of resources in there, and obviously there's a code, 4 Sora codes in there, so the first 4 people that join will get an invite code to Sora. Obviously if you're using Sora, you have to get a VPN to use it, because obviously it's America and Canada at the minute. But that's there free if anybody who joins. Obviously it's a paid community, but it's quite cheap. I think it's $17 or $19 to join. That's going to go up in processes, so if you're getting early, you're getting early. That'll be a lifetime payment for you, like everybody else. Just trying to get some income in so I can reinvest back into a better computer, better cards, and get better videos out. So obviously we're still waiting. We've got one there, so that's me waffling for a minute at least. That's me waffling for 2 minutes. On the third one it should come straight across. I just didn't want to give it 3 minutes wait, because sometimes they break if they wait too long, so we just keep asking it. I mean, you can just put it on 30 seconds if you want, you'll just get more and more returns, you just be burning credits. But if it does it faster, it'll pick it up. If it does it slower, it'll not do it. So yeah, when you've got this, you just click that Google Sheet there, that one will be available for you, and you just put your information in. You get your reference image, so you've got a cloud runner, create a free account. Get yourself a free account. It's asking me to log in. Normally auto logs me. So we're logging in there. Basically when you've got your free account, just upload your picture through the upload button. Then when you've got your picture, you just... Oh, give me too many requests there, didn't I? Go back one. And go back. Just click on your image. Come down to copy URL. Copy it. That'll open this here, and that's the one you want to put in, because it's a direct link. So that being said, this should have run now. Right, so we've run. It's picked it up in the thingy there. So now we've got the link. Now you could just get that there and directly download it. So if we go to there, it should download into.
Hey everyone, welcome to AI Injection School. I'm excited you're here.
There you go, we
This
don't need
is
to look at that, do we? So there, it's done that. See, there's no else in there, just that bit there, that expression there that gets your data across. And that's just your data ID. So you're getting your data from there and in there. Done. Let's come out there. And then obviously your final one is just to get your update a sheet. So you can update a row in the Google Sheet, map manually, row number, get your row number in there. Then your output is just your output for your file, which is that there, because you can see it because it says MP4 on it. And that will update to your sheet, as it has done there. And job's done. Now I might just, I've kept it quite basic this one. I mean you could put ChatGPT in and make a request for you, but you have a little bit more control of this, so at least you take time to input your text that you want to speak, because now I could just redo this and put anything I want in there. What we will do is just quickly go to wave speed and get the pricing for it. Come out there. Come out there, because I think it's about 15 cents per 5 seconds, I believe. But we'll have a quick look. I mean, you can do it better if you, for much more if you want. I don't, because I can upscale it at a later stage if I want to. So you're in here, you come to your dashboard. Oops, yeah. And it tells you what's been automated. Oh, I've done 3 of these today. And they're all about the same price. So we want to know the pricing, don't we? So if you just click on the model that we've just used. As you can see here, 15 pence per 5 seconds. So for a 10-second one, obviously it's 30 pence. Double that to 20 seconds, 60 pence. A minute, you're looking at 1 minute, £1 odd to get done. So quite reasonable, I think, for what you can do. But what else was I going to do with that? I'm going to do quite a lot of these, because there's quite a lot on here that you can do for some stuff. Let's go back to dashboard. Let's see if it's kept some of my history. So if we go to the next page, you can do some naughtier things with, let's do this, spicy image type thing. As you can see there, this is a cartoon. She does a little wiggle. Now let's pretend that's not a cartoon, that's a real person. You can put, as you see there, an image of a girl, put her in there and do that. So that'll probably be the next video, which all I'll do with that is just a basic one that I've just done now with Google Sheets, drop a few video photos in and it will animate it for you, because that's just a photo, not a video. Then there is a few others where you can swap out a video, swap a face in a video, do all sorts of things. So I'll go through all of them. That'll be in the school. I'll have a section that says wave speed and I'll start generating stuff for that. So there you go, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, see you next time.